Today we are going to practice some of the important questions of our lesson, and in this lesson we have learned how to use need to, right? Need to we use when we say that something is necessary to be done. For example, I need to go to school. I need to go to school. That means it is necessary for me to go to school. So today we will practice questions with need to. So let's get started. What do you need to submit today? I need to submit all my documents today. For what do you need to come to Prime? I need to come to Prime to practice English. It's really important to start with small sentences. If you start with short, small and clear sentences, you will be able to make complicated sentences in future. For what do you need to come to Prime? I need to come to Prime to practice English. When do you need to come here? I need to come here in the morning, or I need to come here at afternoon. From where do you need to learn English? I can learn English from everywhere, but I think I need to learn English from Prime English Academy. Why do you need to practice English every day? Why do we need to practice English every day? We need to practice English every day so that we can be fluent on the language. Here the question was to me, so I need to practice English every day to be fluent in English. How do you need to read English newspaper? You can say I need to read English newspaper properly. As I said, start with simple answers. So you can say I need to read English newspaper properly with proper understanding. Which subject do you need to study every day? I need to study English every day because I'm trying to learn English. You have to try to add one little sentence with your answer. That way you can develop your speaking ability. With whom do you need to walk in the morning? Well, I can walk in the morning alone, but I think I need to walk with my friend in the morning, or I need to walk in the morning alone. For whose friend do you need to buy new books? I need to buy new books for my friend. I need to buy new books for my father's friend, for my brother's friends, like that. To whom do you need to send invitation letters? Well, usually we send invitation letters to our relatives, neighbors, right? So you can say, I need to send invitation letters to my relatives, to my neighbors, to come to my party, right? For whom do you need to save money? I need to save money for myself and for my family members. How long do you need to study English daily? I need to study English at least for 4 hours daily as I'm learning English. If you start with simple answers, you can make clear sentences. How many languages do you need to learn? I need to learn at least 3 languages. How much water do you need to drink daily? I need to drink at least 7 glasses of water daily. What kind of lesson do you need to study? I need to study all the easy lessons first, then I need to study all the difficult lessons. Or you can just say, I need to study interesting lessons. From where do you need to buy a smartphone? I need to buy a smartphone from an authentic store, so I can trust, okay? Who needs to walk in the morning? Well, we all need to walk in the morning. It's good for our health. Or I need to walk in the morning because it's good for my health. Who need to come to Prime every day? As students, we need to come to Prime every day because I'm practicing English. If I go there regularly, I will be able to practice English regularly. You have to start with these type of small answers. Don't think of complicated language. Don't think of complicated words at the beginning. Start with simple sentences, simple words. Okay? So this is it. Thank you very much for watching.